Welcome back, and it's time to find out how Benny Gibbs Test Wax number 2 held up to the summer heat here in Tennessee. I just need to make it over to dry land so I can get this review underway. This is my wife and I paddling around at Crockett Bottom, a beautiful little lake full of lily pads and presumably lots and lots of fish, though I have never caught a single fish from Crockett Bottom. All right, let's see how Ben's Test Wax number 2 is holding up to the mask and being outside. All right. That does feel much better. All right. Wow, that's really good. I was just outside for a bit, like 20 minutes, half an hour with the mask on, messing around in the garden to see how the wax held up, and you know, I'm a little droopy over here, but that's pretty par for the course as far as my mustache goes. I tend to sag on the right side. It's my right side, right? My right side. We're looking good. Alright, whenever I take my mask off, say we're out in public, it's great to have a comb handy. Straighten up the beard and mustache without putting your hands all over your face, at least not until you wash them anyways. But, alright, that was Benny Gibbs Fishing Test Wax number 2 test, and it's looking real good. And, by the way, I found some of the Test Wax number 1. I hadn't used it all up, so a little bit later we'll be able to bring that back out in some other videos as well. Again, there's the wax. Very green. Greener than the other one, so I'm not sure what essential oils he put in there. And as I proved in the first video, I am absolutely garbage at identifying smells, right? But it smells fresh. It's great. Thanks, Ben. Appreciate it. Hope you're having a good summer.